In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a YouTube clip or a file from your Google Drive so your presentation feels more engaging and dynamic. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation and heading to the exact slide where you want the video to appear. It helps to think about your layout first. Leave enough space for the video frame and any text or visuals you plan to keep on the slide. If you're replacing an image or a placeholder, select that slide so you can drop the video in the right spot. Next, look up to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click Insert, then choose Video. This opens the Insert Video dialog, which gives you 3 simple ways to bring in your content, depending on where your video lives. If you want to search YouTube directly, click the YouTube tab in the dialog. Type in your keywords, like the topic or the exact title of the video. Take a moment to scan the results for length, channel, and thumbnail to make sure it's the right version. When you find the one you want, select it and proceed to insert it. This is a great option when you don't already have the URL handy and you're browsing for the best match. If you already have a YouTube link, switch to the By URL tab. Paste the full YouTube link into the field provided and hit Select. This method is quick and precise, perfect when you know the exact video you want. Just make sure the video is publicly accessible or unlisted so it can play during your presentation without permission issues. If your video is stored in Google Drive, click the Google Drive tab. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved. Pick the file you've uploaded and click Select to insert it. This is especially useful for company videos, recorded presentations, or clips that aren't hosted on YouTube. Keep in mind that viewers will need access to the file if you're sharing the deck, so confirm permissions ahead of time. Once the video is inserted, Slides will place it on your slide. You can move it around or resize it by dragging the corners so it fits your design. Before you present, it's a good idea to run through the slide in present mode to confirm the video loads and plays smoothly on your network. That's all there is to it. Choose your source, insert the video, and you're ready to present with more impact.